Welcome back to Dawn's English Podcast.
Hey everyone.
So, you know how we're always talking about how busy life gets? Between work, commuting, and just trying to find time for anything extra, it feels like we're constantly juggling. And that doesn't just apply to our physical space. Our digital lives can get pretty messy too.
Oh, tell me about it. That's actually been my mission this week. My phone storage was completely full, like critically full. I couldn't even take new photos. So I finally started the daunting task of sorting through years of pictures and videos.
Oof, I feel you. That sounds like a huge project. How's it going?
It's overwhelming. I started with just the phone, deleting duplicates and blurry shots. But then I looked at my cloud storage, thousands of files. I felt a wave of panic. I'm still not done with sorting through everything, not even close. It feels like it multiplies while I'm working on it.
Oh, totally. I know exactly what you mean. It's like digital clutter just accumulates without you even noticing. But it's funny you bring this up because I've actually been really into digital organization lately myself.
Oh yeah, what kind of organization are we talking about? Is this another one of your structured systems?
Kind of. I've been exploring this concept called a second brain system. It's basically about building a reliable digital space to store and organize all your ideas, notes, projects, and files so you can access what you need when you need it. It's not just cleaning up, it's about creating a system for the future.
A second brain system? That sounds intensely organized. Okay, yeah, that definitely puts you in a good mood, doesn't it? Building systems and making things efficient. That's so you, Dawn. Like planning ahead for the week or making reservations.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a little intentionality. But honestly, it feels really good to have a place for everything. Less stress about losing important information. It's a form of clearing the mind, like building Lego for you, or reading for me.
I get that. My method is definitely more reactive, pure panic, motivated. But you know what's been the unexpected part? Finding old stuff. I deleted hundreds of photos, but I also found pictures from trips years ago. Old notes I wrote, even some silly voice memos.
Oh, that's the best part! Like stumbling upon that shared playlist we made years ago. It brings back memories. Did you find anything funny? Or surprising?
Totally. I found this photo of me trying to cook something disastrous in college. It looked like it exploded. It genuinely put me in a good mood just laughing at how bad I was. It reminded me that learning takes time, like trying to cook now.
See? It's not just about deleting, it's about rediscovering too. And even though the process is tough, there's that feeling you get when you finish a section, right? When you see empty space on your phone or a clean folder.
Yes, the clarity. Even though I'm not done with the whole project, finishing one album or one folder feels amazing. There's nothing like that feeling of digital lightness, knowing where things are and having space again. It's like a fresh start, kind of like moving into the new office.
Exactly. There's nothing like clearing out the clutter, digital or physical. It just makes you feel cleaner, doesn't it? It's a small joy that makes a big difference, even if it feels like another hassle sometimes.
It really does. I guess it's worth the effort, even if it takes a while. Slow progress is still progress.
Little by little, right? So while Jay is still battling his photo library, I'll be building my second brain. Let's check in next week and see who's made more progress. Or maybe we can compare how we organize our music libraries since we talked about playlists last episode.
Oh man, that's another mess waiting to happen.
Well, we'll tackle that challenge next time. What about you listeners? Are you a digital minimalist or a digital hoarder? Do you have any tips for getting organized? Let us know. Stay tuned.